In a previous video, we explained you how to create and match a queue. In this video, we will teach you how to examine the results of queue matching. Queue Viewer basically shows all the matched targets and the formulas on a single screen. Let's have a look at the software and see how it works. To launch Queue Viewer, go to Data Navigator, select the folder where the queue is stored, right mouse click on the queue object and open with Queue Viewer. The primary goal of Queue Viewer is to help the user analyze, display, correct and select the formulas generated in queues. The fields at the top of the screen are used to select and organize the queue results to display. In the lower part of the screen, we have the following information: every standard, job included in the queue, every formula found for each target. The formulas are sorted according to the sort criteria defined in the job template. The best formula is displayed on the left. The number of formulas displayed depends on the number of formulas specified in the job template. On the top of each row you find the target name, job number and job template used to match the color. Individual formulas in a job can be marked with a label to identify the status. These include consider, accepted, visually and rejected. Let's have a closer look at the best formula for color RAL 1000. The actual size, units and form of the formula are defined in the job template. Priority and compatibility values are a measure for the ingredients and ingredient combinations used in the formula. High values indicates that good ingredients and ingredient combinations are used in this formula. The delta E fields are showing you the color difference under the first, second and third illuminant. These illuminants are defined in the job template. Metamerism index, MI, is shown as well as the theoretical contrast ratio, CR, and the cost of the formula. At the bottom of the formula window, you can also find how the formula was generated. Combinatorial indicates that this formula is the result of a combinatorial match. Other possible methods are search, search and correct, add, after the correction, reformulate, and so on. If you right mouse click on a formula, a pop-up window will appear with more options. The Correct Formula option allows you to correct the current active formula. The Measure Trial option allows you to measure the batch. The color difference will be shown on the formula window. Let's correct the current formula. Formula Central will open the current job. Now you have the possibility to measure or retrieve your trial. The program is showing you the color difference between trial and target. To perform a correction, you can press the Add or Reformulate button. When correction is finished, you can return to Queue Viewer by clicking to the Go menu and selecting Return to Queue Viewer. Notice that the first formula displayed for RAL 1000 is now the new corrected formula. The source of this formula indicates Auto Reformulate. When matching a queue, you probably would like to have one formula for each color in your queue. This formula is the accepted formula. To accept a formula, you can mark the formula accepted, or you can press the Accept All First Formulas button. Standard view criteria and formula view criteria are used to filter standards and formulas in the queue. If you would like to see unmatched standards, you can go to the standard view criteria and select Unmatched. The program is now showing you all standards where no formula was found within matching tolerance. If you would like to see all accepted formulas, press the Formula View Criteria button and select Accepted. The program will now show you all formulas which are marked accepted. To print these displayed formulas, go to File, Print, and select the label or report you would like to print. There are multiple reports and labels available. As an example, you see here the multiple per page report. Notice that the report in this example is only showing you the formulas which are marked accepted. If the formula view criteria is set to all the formulas will be printed with this report. When all your work is finished in the queue and when you have marked your good formulas as accepted, you will be able to save them in a folder. Go to File, Save, Save all accepted formulas, and select the folder where you would like to store the formulas. These formulas are now available in Navigator as objects. You can export them to Paint as XML file or open them in Formula Central. You have now learned how to work with QViewer. If you like to know more about QViewer or other topics, please consult Datacolor documentation or visit our support site. Thank you for watching this Datacolor video.